Looking for the best Cobalt drill bits that deliver unmatched durability and precision? In this video, we'll break down top-rated options that can power through the toughest materials with ease. We upload quality videos daily to help you make smarter buying decisions, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert product picks. Number 1. Amulo 13-piece Cobalt drill bit set. This 13-piece set from Amulo comes in at a fraction of the price of other Cobalt drill bit sets. This set is durable, with 5% cobalt steel alloy, though not as strong as M42 bits, which contain 8% alloy. Using a lubricant or cooling water can help extend the life of these bits. Their split-point tips prevent walking and make starting holes easier. During testing, the Amulo Cobalt drill bits performed well, drilling clean holes. It bears mentioning, however, that the kit only includes smaller bit sizes in 1/16-inch increments, which makes it ideal for crafting and detailed drilling. Oh, the only downside we found was the flimsy plastic case and foam bit holder. They felt more like shipping materials than parts of a protective carrying case. Still, functionally speaking, we doubt that anyone would know the difference if we replaced some of their Irwin Cobalt drill bits with these. Number 2. Drill America Cobalt Jobber Drill Bit Set. This set of premium Cobalt drill bits from Drill America features 29 pieces that range in size from 1/16-inch to ½ inch in 1/64-inch increments. The gold finish acts as a built-in lubricant to keep heat levels down, making it the strongest drill bit for drilling through metal easier and extending the life of the bit. Each bit is made from high-grade M42 Cobalt stainless steel alloy. A split point quickly penetrates hard metals without the need for a pilot hole. Working with the Drill America M42 Cobalt drill set was almost an identical experience to working with the Irwin drill bit set, but this set is made of tougher metal and provides easier access to all of the bits at once. Both sets offer the same size assortment, the same round shank, and 135-degree split-point construction. Drill America's bits remained noticeably sharper after the first 3 test holes, so we drilled a second set of 3 holes before sharpening. Number 3. Bosch 14-piece M42 Cobalt drill bit set. With its M42 drill bits, this set from Bosch is ready to take on the hardest metals. The 8% cobalt alloy is more durable than what's used for M35 Cobalt drill bits, giving it longer shelf life. This set's other features also make drilling through metal a breeze. A split-point tip penetrates metal easily, while a flat shank prevents slipping in the chuck. These Bosch bits have thicker threading than most spiral drill bits, a design that's meant to remove material more efficiently and decrease the amount of time it takes to drill through metal. The Bosch Cobalt drill bits offer a unique combination of structural features and extra-hard M42 alloy that make them a pleasure to work with. To test this product, we used a cordless drill and a drill press to highlight the difference between precision drill press work and handheld drilling. The cordless drill mostly worked well, but its variable speed trigger made it more difficult to maintain a slow, precise speed for drilling steel. Number 4. Stoughton Metric M42 8% Cobalt Twist Drill Bit Set. It takes a tough bit to drill through hard metals like steel and bronze, but drill bits like these from Stoughton are up to the task. Stoughton uses what it calls a 3-step design with this drill bit. The Stoughton Cobalt bits for metal featured a round shank with a low-profile, stepped split point. They perform smoothly with or without center punch starter guides. Unlike the more exaggerated pilot-style step points found on the DeWalt and Milwaukee bits that we tested, this design only stepped up a total of about 0.5 millimeters above the shoulders of the bit point, despite having more steps. The effect was a combination of quick bite into the material and smooth transition to the full width of the bit. The M42 alloy construction allowed these bits to hold up longer than those made of M35, but it took a bit more effort to sharpen them due to the material's increased hardness. Number 5. DeWalt Industrial Cobalt Alloy Steel Set. When drilling metal, some of the biggest headaches are bits that break, spin in the chuck, and bounce over the metal's surface. DeWalt addresses all those issues with this set. Picked as our best drill bit set, the high-grade cobalt and stainless steel enhance the durability of these drill bits, so users don't need to worry about breaking a bit. A pilot point makes it much easier to get started and eliminates the need for a separate pilot hole. And DeWalt goes with a flat-sided shank to get rid of spinning issues. This 14-piece set includes sizes ranging from 1/16 inch to 3/8 inch. In testing, the stepped split pilot point allowed the DeWalt Cobalt metal drill bits to penetrate the metal quickly without slipping. Having two levels on the point made it more difficult to sharpen the bit accurately while maintaining the factory angle, but we managed to shape it up. The final test hole, after sharpening, came out smooth and clean.